Is neck pain something that you struggle with? Whether it be acutely because you just woke up and you slept kind of funny and now your neck is bothering you, or maybe you have a job where your neck is just constantly at a computer and you're starting to feel the unfortunate chronic neck pain that is associated with that. Either way, today we are talking about two possible therapeutic options for you: massage versus acupuncture. Let's get into it. Welcome to Dialectic Healing, where we discuss a fusion of physical and mental therapies so that you can obtain and maintain your healthiest self. Before I get into the content today, if you have been experiencing chronic neck pain, or any pain for that matter, I want to offer you a resource: my 30-day pain-free jumpstart guide. It's totally free and it just gives you some bullet points of things you can do at home very easily and efficiently within your current lifestyle, because I believe that there is a misnomer out there that we just hit a certain age and our bodies are just doomed to fall apart. This is a false narrative, and I want to provide you with the kind of information that can help you regain control of your body so that you can start living pain-free like you were meant to. All right, so what is acupuncture exactly? A lot of people have this question. Most people just know, oh yeah, they stick a bunch of needles in you, and I'm terrified of that, so I'm definitely not doing that. It's okay. I understand. There are a lot of people that are afraid of needles, and actually quite a few people that are afraid of needles that still come to see me for acupuncture. So trust me, the needles are not painful. And it does really help balance your body, helps calm your nervous system. Pain puts us in a fight or flight state, and acupuncture is very helpful at pulling you back and letting your nervous system calm down back into the rest and digest state. So yes, and if you have more questions about acupuncture, please look at some of my other videos where I kind of walk through some of the things to expect on your first session if you have not tried it. Now, massage is what most people think of it. It's them working their hands, massaging you, and working primarily with the soft tissue, easing tension and helping with flexibility, increasing the circulation. Now, something to note about both of these therapies is they actually can do very similar things with their relaxation techniques. They pull you from the fight or flight state, which is kind of what pain puts us in. It pulls you out of that fight or flight state and more in that rest and digest state. It's going to increase circulation and it's going to help decrease stress, which a lot of neck pain actually is due to a stress mechanism. If you're a jaw clencher, you're probably also tightening up your neck as well, unconsciously most of the time. Most people don't realize that they're doing it, or that they're even shrugging their shoulders because it's cold outside, or they're on their computer. There's a lot of things that we do unconsciously that can be really impactful on what our neck is experiencing. So acupuncture and massage do have a few similarities in what they treat. The difference would be is that obviously acupuncture is going to use more needles. And if you're unfamiliar with how that goes, please check out my video on what to expect in your first acupuncture session. But ideally, you're also going to have either some scraping done or cupping, which is also very helpful. Cupping is not just for Olympic athletes, let me tell you. Now, massage is going to be hands-on, right? I mean, they're going to use their hands on you specifically. That's the idea. It's very manual manipulation. It's going to help with flexibility, and it's going to help ease that tension. Possibly some trigger points. A lot of it is just going to be very manual. There could be some stretching involved. So there are some things here that you want to consider. First, is your neck pain associated with stress, with high amounts of stress, with posture, or is it just an acute issue because you slept weird? That's going to kind of dictate how best to treat you. If it's a stress thing, if you're holding a lot of stress and you know this is where you hold it, then acupuncture might be a better option for you because it will help with the root cause, which is the stress. The symptom is your neck pain. The cause is the stress that you have in your life right now, causing you to tighten up in this area. Now, if it is a postural issue because of your work or because of your daily tasks, because you're on your phone a lot and that forces us to put our neck forward, causing a lot of neck stress. If it's more of a postural issue, then massage is going to be more ideal for you. Now, understanding that also means that there could be a combination of the two. You could be stressing out because of your job and working on your computer all day, so you now have a postural issue and you have a stress issue. So you might need a combination of massage and acupuncture. To be honest, I have never met anyone that only needed one therapy and that was it to take care of their issue. It's usually a combination of therapies. After that, it's really up to you how you manage your stress. If you're using your muscles to manage your stress, well, then your neck pain is going to come back. If you continue to have poor posture, your neck pain is probably going to come back. However, if these two things are addressed in correlation with acupuncture and massage, I guarantee you will absolutely see the kind of results that you are looking for. I hope this content was helpful for you today. Please consider subscribing because I'm going to continue putting out content like this to help people not only with neck pain, but we'll eventually get into shoulders, low back, hips, ankles, knees. There are tons of areas in the body that people struggle with when it comes to pain. So if you haven't taken advantage of my 30-day pain-free jumpstart guide, do so now. Download the free PDF and get a jumpstart on a pain-free life that you deserve. May your pain be relieved.